Hey guys, it's Nunu, and I'm here with you in week 8 in modules, October 14th through the 20th. This week we are finishing up discussion 4, which took place in week 8 last week and will take place in week 9 this week. And it's Little Snow White, 1857. It's the Brothers Grimm, A Vindication of the Rights of Woman by Mary Wollstonecraft, and that's 1729. And The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, 1983, by Charles Bukowski. I'm going to go ahead and show you our artwork for this week. And let me move my video over here so you can see me. I thought this was pretty cool. I found it on the net. You have a very realistic looking prince here, and a Snow White who does indeed look like she's sleeping, and she looks very attractive, and he looks entranced. The prince falling in love with the girl in the glass coffin. Okay, I'm going to go up to this handy link to modules, which of course is our class Bible, and I'm going to click on it right here, and then click on our assignment, and it is all right here. And so part 2, your peer response, needs to take place by Friday, November 1st, 2019. And I wanted to remind you of something super important, and that is that I ask questions during the discussion. I am responding to you. You are not writing something, pouring your heart out, and nobody reads it. We all read it. I read it. And you need to respond to me, and you need to respond to your peers, okay? So I'm chatting with you all throughout the discussion, and I need you to chat back with me. Also, please, and this is important, you need to observe the deadline, the due date. The discussion for this week and next week, discussion 4, weeks 8 and 9, had an initial due date of Friday, October 25th, 2019. You need to observe that, and if you do not contribute on time, you need to email me and let me know what's up, okay? So please pay attention to the due dates. And one of our early assignments, and let me flip to it right here, it was learn all about this class, 25 points. I'm going to click on that. I tell you very clearly about the deadlines in here and when everything is due. Question, are all assignments due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, as modules indicates, so I can begin working on them on Saturday or Sunday as long as I turn them in by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday? And I say no. Modules allows me to list only one deadline, so for convenience, I list the end of the week, 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. However, many assignments usually have 2 parts, a part 1 and a part 2, and due dates are often much earlier than Sunday. Correct due dates are posted in every assignment, so read the directions for each assignment on Monday, making yourself aware of all due dates. And of course, we have the reading timeline right here in this first assignment, which is the FAQ assignment. So let me go back into week 8, which is discussion 4, and remind you that I post due dates in here, and you need to observe them. My late policy is in the syllabus, and the late policy, which is number 8 right here, is important for you to observe. I do accept late work, and I don't deduct points for late work, but please do not submit late work without having a conversation with me first about why you need to submit late work. So you need to become familiar with this late work policy, okay? I need to have you contributing on time to the discussion, and you need to make yourself aware of the due dates, okay? All right, so I'm going to take us back to home, which for us, home is a bulletin board to the classroom, and we have this beautiful artwork here, which gives a great interpretation of why this guy, this prince, might fall in love with a girl in a glass coffin as she looks as if she's merely sleeping. All right, let's have a good week. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm right here in inbox.